What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of SV's Auto. Today on our project Bus, we're going to get back to working on our dog leg area here. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe below, and let's get going. So in our last episode, we had cut out this portion here and fabricated this piece to fit that portion. And it meets up pretty good, I believe. I need to bend over this area and then also cut a little square here for the floor. And then we'll work on some of this rust up and towards the front of the floor if we get further along than that. Okay, it doesn't need a very pronounced bend, but we're gonna go ahead and use the metal brake here to do the bending for me. And see how that goes. Okay, so I put my bend in. See, it lines up pretty good. If I get this thing lined up approximately where it's going to go, it's going to be, I need to take off a little bit still, but that should line up fairly well. So now I need to probably cut this piece and then maybe tack this up and take my dog leg replacement and kind of see how it's all fitting together. Well, that bend turned out all right. The problem I'm having is I forgot that I really have to address this pillar here. You can see here, it's pretty mangled, and I need to get this sorted out because my dog leg replacement will not fit with this all mangled out. So what I think I'm going to try to do is try to get some heat on this, see if I can't get it really hot and try to bend it back into shape a little. I still think that I'm going to have to remove this front portion here. It's like it has some brazing or some kind of other repair that was attempted to be done that didn't really work out. So that's where I'm at now. I'm going to see what I can do with this area and really start trying to address that. Alright, so I got this piece straightened out pretty decent, I think. I do need to remove this one still, so I'm going to go ahead and get a tack weld drill bit on and see if I can't get these drilled out and get this piece off so I can straighten out what's underneath and then hopefully start getting this dog leg fitted up. Okay, so the front part came off pretty good. Underneath this lip, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get that, but on the inside here, definitely can't fit my tack weld drill bit in there, so I'm gonna try to just grind this off, see if I can peel this thing out. Alright, more folded metal back here. We got pretty hammered. Alright, so like I was saying before, it's pretty mangled in there. I think I'm going to, the piece here, I don't know if you can see that very well, that is folded in. I believe that it's supposed to be wrapped out this way, so I'm going to try to peel this back out and then maybe straighten up some of this here so it looks like it connects a little bit better. Get this area addressed, and then I think I'm ready to start getting my panel ready and see what we need to do to get it mocked up and maybe tacked in and fitted so that everything works the way it's supposed to. But first of all, I'm gonna pull that around and see what we get. Okay, well, it's still pretty folded up. Did straighten it up a little bit, but I think I'm gonna cut this area out as it is interfering when I try to test fit my dog leg. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this guy and cut this little square out. Look at this a little closer. I don't know. I think I can just cover this up if I can kind of bend it to where I need it to be, and I don't think it will be an issue down the road. But I would like to get this out of the way just to see where I'm at, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so I got that piece cut out off of there. I'm gonna go ahead and take my, fall over something. I'm gonna go ahead and take my dog leg and see if I can't get it to go in here. Get a test fit on this thing. So, let's see. Looks like the front needs to go up just a little bit still, but that's looking pretty good. Down the side of the bus, that looks pretty decent. Well, I think we're getting pretty close here. I need to figure out why I'm hanging up on the front here. Thinking this needs to be addressed just a little bit. Maybe in film. That needs to be dressed just a little bit, it looks like. Needs to be pushed up just a titch to line up here. Get this area up a little bit. This area up a little here. Get that panel in. You still need to fix this stuff in the floor. But that's it's looking a heck of a lot closer than we were. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on that area up there a little bit. See if I can get that to fit a little better. I think we're pretty close on this side. I do need to trim just a little notch out of this. It's catching right there. Can you see that? All in all, getting a lot closer and making some progress. Thanks for watching another episode of Ask These Auto. Make sure you tune in to see how we finish up our dog leg here on our project bus. And to get updates more frequently, you can follow us over on the FaceTubes and the Instagram. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.